So right now you can see that I have these files right here, which is in a list order just like this. If you want to go ahead and change how this actually looks and change it into a thumbnail view, then you can simply go around over here and hover over. You can right now see that it says list view. But if I were to go around over here onto thumbnail view, then you'll be able to see the thumbnails of the file just like this. You can also go around over here and see the icon view right here, which is much more larger right here. So if you want to go ahead and see a better preview right here just like this, then you can go ahead and change it out according to how you want. So you can go around onto icon view or thumbnail view or list view right here. In list view, you can go ahead and sort out the files as you want, but in thumbnail view and icon view right here, that is not an option. So if I were to go inside a folder, you can see that still the same view is effective. So if you were to go around over here, you can still see the thumbnail view. That is the icon view. So if I were to change the thumbnail, and now if I were to navigate out, then you will still be able to see the thumbnail view right there just like that. So that is how you can switch between list, thumbnail, and icon view inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.